Hello students, welcome back to the online classes. Now in last class we have discussed problem number 4, which is this. We have evaluated sin A, secant A. Now in today's class we'll evaluate problem number 5. Problem number 5. Okay, right. Now in problem number 5, what is given is, it is given that it is given that secant theta equals to 13/12. Now from earlier problem number 4, we know that secant theta, the ratio secant theta is given as hypotenuse by adjacent. Now here the reference angle is theta. So we know hypotenuse, we know adjacent, which is equals to 13 and 12. But we don't know opposite. So we need to find out opposite. Now it is very clear, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find out the value of opposite. Now this is reference angle theta. We will name it A, B and C. Now AC is hypotenuse, which is given as 13. BC is adjacent, which is given as 12. Now we need to find out AB, which is opposite. So using the same Pythagoras theorem, which is equals to opposite side square plus adjacent square equals to hypotenuse square. Now here we don't know opposite, so we'll write it as AB square plus adjacent is given, adjacent is 12 square, hypotenuse is given, hypotenuse is 13 square. Now AB square, we'll write it as it is, plus 12 square is 144, hypotenuse is 13 square is 169. So AB square is equals to 169 minus 144, which will equals to 25. AB square is 25, and AB is square root of 25, which is equals to square root of 5 into 5, which is equals to 5 centimeters. Therefore the opposite side is 5 centimeters. Now we can easily find out other trigonometric ratios. I leave this as homework or workout for students. First trigonometric ratio is sin theta, which is equals to opposite by adjacent. Please tell me the value. Second one is cos theta, which is equals to, this is hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse. Tell me the value. Third one is tan theta, which is equals to opposite by adjacent. Fourth one is cosecant theta, which is hypotenuse by opposite. Fifth one is cot theta, which is adjacent by hypotenuse. Please tell me the values. I'll stop here. Thank you.